Good afternoon, fam. I'm going to show you one of the apartments that we're doing for a client right now. We're flipping this apartment. We renovated it. We're going to flip. Well, the client is flipping it. We renovated it. Had some issues with it, but we got it done. We just want to show you a quick overview of how it looks. We didn't have the process, but this is a porch. This is a porch room here. This is the porch area here. We have a white ceiling. It's almost like a crimson type of yellow on the walls. We had to do plaster repair here. Had some ceilings we had to renovate, take down. We did the floors. There's some light fixtures we had to change. I'm not supposed to walk on this floor, but I'm gonna walk on it. Because if the floor man sees me, he's gonna have a heart attack. This is a three bedroom apartment. This is the bathroom here. We had to renovate. We had to pull down the ceiling. We had a water leak here, so the whole ceiling had to come down. This ceiling here, we had to rip this ceiling down and fix this one here. This is the